Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a Google Drive link. So first of all, open up Google Drive. Now in here, upload the file, the picture, the video or anything that you want to share. Click on this new button right here. Click on upload and from there select the file that you want to share. Now after the file has been uploaded, I will be going for, let's say, this file right here. Click on these three dots right here. Now in here, click on manage access. It will stay restricted right here. Now in here, click on change, click on restricted, and in here click on anyone with the link. Now after the access has been updated, go back, click on the three dots again, and this time copy the link. And after that, send the link to whoever you want to share the file with, and after that they can easily open up that file. So that is how you can share your Google Drive link. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share a Google Drive link. So first of all, open up Google Drive. Now once you're at Google Drive, upload the file, the picture, audio file, the video, whatever you want to share. For that purpose, click on new at the left side right here. In here, click on file, upload. And in here, select the file that you want to upload. Now after you're done with that, it would appear right here as I have this video right here. Now after you've gotten your file, click on these three dots at the top right. Now in here, click on share and click on share again. This pop-up will show up. Now in here, click on this restricted button right here. And in here, click on anyone with the link. Now after the access has been uploaded, click on copy link. Now after the link has been copied, you can send the link to anyone you want. And they would be able to see this file, the picture or audio file or video that you just sent. So that is how you can share a Google Drive link.